Hello, good morning, esteemed college, respect scholar, and fellow participant. It's a privilege to be here at Third International Conference on Islamic Civilization and Humanities. Let me introduce myself. My name is Susanti Sintiki Barat. I'm from Magister Linguistik Universitas Erlangga. And today I will be presenting my research entitled The Role of Linguistics in Fostering Cross-Culture Awareness in an Era of Global Uncertainty, a critical discourse analysis. The study investigates the intersection of linguistic and cross-culture awareness, particularly in the context of growing global uncertainty. Using the framework of CDA, critical discourse analysis, the research examines how language both reflects and shape power relation, cultural perception, and ideological structure. The finding underscore the importance of multicultural education and linguistic awareness in fostering inclusive communication and mutual understanding across culture. Introduction, global context. We are currently witnessing a period of profound transformation driven by rapid political, economic, social, and technological shift. Globalization and digital connectivity have caused closer exchange, but they have also led to identity fragmentation, cultural homogenization, and unequal access to cultural capital. As a result, cultural identity have become increasingly fluid, shaped by global narrative disseminated through mass media and digital platform. This condition demand a critical examination of how language is used to represent culture and maintain power dynamic in cross-cultural communication. Theoretical framework. Language is far more than a medium of communication. It's a symbolic and ideological tool that constructs identity, frame perception of the other, and maintains or challenges power hierarchy. CDA analysis, particularly as developed by Ton of Van Dyck, provide a robust methodology for analyzing how discourse operate with this socio-cultural context. This study seeks to fill a gap in existing research by connecting linguistic analysis, power relation, and cross-cultural awareness within in the framework of global uncertainty. This is study adopt the critical discourse analysis approach developed by Van Dyck as its a main theoretical framework. Van Dyck argued that discourse is a form of social action that reflects and reproduces power relation and unequal social structure. In this framework, discourse is not merely seen as text, but as a product of interaction between individual cognition and social structure. From this perspective, discourse is understood not only a series of texts of utterance, but also as a part of social action that reflects, reproduce, and potentially challenge unequal social structure. Van Dyck proposed a three-dimensional model in analyzing discourse, consisting of number one is the textual structure, the second social cognition, and the third is social context. This research is anchored in several key theoretical foundations. Van Dyck, Bayram, Pennycook, and Kanagraja. Together, the study provides a comprehensive framework for understanding how language shape intercultural engagement in the modern world. Methodology. This study used qualitative approach with the Fundic CDA framework, data, media text, literary works, everyday conversation, data collection, literature review, digital media observation, and interview. Focus language as a social meaning and ideology in global uncertainty. A qualitative approach is adopting use Fundy critical discourse analysis framework. Data sources include text from mass media, literary works, and everyday interaction illustrating issue, culture, and power. Data collection involves literature review, digital media observation, and semi-structured interview. Analysis focus on how language construct social meaning and ideology within global uncertainty. Analysis and discussion. Language play a crucial role in shaping perception and attitude toward other cultures. Mass media often portrays stereotype and dominant narrative reflecting cultural power imbalance. Literary works serve as reflective space that critical cultural homogenization and open multicultural dialogues. In everyday interaction, individual negotiation, identity, and local and global cultural influence, using language as a tool for social and political negotiation. This finding stressed the importance of critical linguistic and cultural education to foster inclusive and effective cross-cultural awareness. Media discourse often reference cultural stereotype and dominant narrative that maintains existing power relation. Literary texts provide a reflective space for questioning cultural uniformity and encouraging pluralistic perspective. In everyday language use, either full negative, multiple cultural framework using language as a mean and of identity negotiation and resistance. This funding illustration how linguistic awareness can empower individuals to engage in critical and empathic intercultural communication. Conclusion. In study affirms that linguistic particularly took the lens of CDA offer critical insight into the way language construct and mediated cultural awareness and power relation. In a era marked by complexity and uncertainty, accenting linguistic and cultural competence is essential for promoting inclusive, respectful, and transformative cross-cultural dialogue. This research also reinforced the necessity of integrating linguistic analysis into broader educational framework to cultivate global-minded, cultural-sensitive citizens. Language shape cultural awareness and power relation in uncertain global era linguistic and cultural awareness, vital for inclusive, sensitive cross-cultural communication, multicultural education must integrate this perspective. Recommendation. Based on the finding, the study proposed the following recommendation. Embeds critical linguistic and cultural awareness, promote media literacy program, utilizes literature and the arts, encourage interdisciplinary research, advocate for equitable access to digital and cultural research. As I conclude this presentation, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks for your kind attention and presence. I sincerely hope that the insight I have shared can contribute meaningful to our shared academic pursuit. If there were any mistake in my word or presentation, whether in expression, content, or language, please accept my sincere apologies. As a fellow learner, I welcome your feedback with humility and gratitude. I look forward to future discussion and collaboration with all of you. Thank you once again, and may your research journey continue to insightful and impactful.